In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Drive. So, to create documents, you can go to Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides. So Google Docs is like a Word document, and then Google Sheets is like Excel, and Google Slides is like PowerPoint. And Google Forms you can use if you want to like make something with questions. So like for a test maybe. And Google Drawings is like you can make drawings online. And Google Maps is I don't really know. And Google Sites is a website. You can make your own website. And then these are just other things that come with Google Drive. Google Jamboard is like a whiteboard for online, which would be helpful like in Zoom when you're teaching, if you teach. And then to get to other apps, you can go up to the 9 dots and go here. So this is your Google account, search, YouTube, Maps, Gmail, Google Meet, it's a video service, or it's like Zoom, Contacts, Drive, Calendar, all this stuff, Hangouts, Classroom, So, yeah. And this is my personal account, so it's not like a school account. So, yeah. Okay, this is how to use Google Drive.